Live from your CNC Channel 2 News Studio, your anchor, Shala Sabri.
And welcome back to CNC Channel 2 News. Up next, the details of the murder of Lorenzo Gonzalez, the only eyewitness who remained to testify against Juan D. Perez, the mastermind of a spoiled terrorist plot to hack the Pentagon's computer's defense system designed by Dr. Garrick Angela. The investigation continues as a massive national hunt for the escaped felon Milo Evans. Lorenzo and Evans are known associates. The FBI reports that Evans is also a person of interest in the Lorenzo Garcia murder, despite multi-statewide efforts. Evans continues to elude law enforcement FBI agents closest to the case. They believe that Evans is in the New Orleans, Louisiana area. Now, if you see Evans, please call 911 immediately. Consider Evans armed and dangerous. In other news, the body count of young women continues to rise in the New Orleans suburban area. 14 are confirmed dead, with 3 women added to the list. We'll be right back.